Are you ready for the shocking truth about GPT-5? Because we're about to blow the lid off the biggest controversy in the AI world. The highly anticipated release of GPT-5 has left many wondering, will it mark the beginning of the end for human jobs? As AI agents become increasingly advanced, the lines between human and machine are becoming increasingly blurred. But what does this mean for the future of work? Is it time to start worrying about our jobs being replaced by AI agents? We're about to take a deep dive into the shocking truth about GPT-5 and the impact it will have on human employment. As we explore the world of AI, one thing becomes increasingly clear. AI agents are becoming more advanced by the day. From chatbots to virtual assistants, AI is taking over tasks that were previously reserved for humans. But what happens when AI agents become so advanced that they can perform tasks that were previously thought to be the exclusive domain of humans? Does this mean that human jobs are on the chopping block?
The answer to this question lies in the world of job automation. As AI agents become more advanced, they're able to perform tasks with unprecedented speed and accuracy. This has led to a significant increase in job automation, with many companies turning to AI agents to handle tasks such as customer service, data entry, and even creative tasks like writing and designing. But what does this mean for human employment? Are we facing a future where humans are no longer needed in the workforce?
To answer this question, we need to look at the statistics. According to a recent report, AI agents are already responsible for replacing human jobs at an alarming rate. In fact, it's estimated that by 2025, AI agents will have replaced over 50% of human jobs. This is a staggering number, and it raises serious questions about the future of work. But what's driving this trend, and what can be done to mitigate its effects?
The driving force behind job automation is the increasing cost-effectiveness of AI agents. As AI technology advances, the cost of implementing AI agents has decreased significantly, making it a more attractive option for companies looking to reduce costs. But this also raises serious questions about the impact on human employment. If AI agents are taking over human jobs, what's to stop them from taking over completely?
This is where the controversy comes in. Many experts argue that AI agents are taking over too quickly, and that we need to slow down the process to ensure that humans are not left behind. But others argue that AI agents are a necessary evil, and that they're the key to unlocking unprecedented levels of productivity and innovation. So which side are you on? Do you think AI agents are a blessing or a curse?
The future impact of GPT-5 will be far-reaching, and it will change the way we work forever. As AI agents become more advanced, we'll see a significant shift towards a more automated workforce. This will have both positive and negative effects, and it will be up to us to determine how we adapt to this new reality. But one thing's for sure, the future of work will never be the same again.
So, what can you do to prepare for this new reality? First and foremost, you need to start developing skills that are complementary to AI agents. This means focusing on skills that are unique to humans, such as creativity, empathy, and problem solving. By developing these skills, you'll be able to work alongside AI agents, rather than being replaced by them. But that's not all. You also need to start thinking about how you can use AI agents to augment your own abilities. By leveraging AI technology, you'll be able to achieve unprecedented levels of productivity and innovation.
In conclusion, the release of GPT-5 is a game-changer for the world of AI. As AI agents become more advanced, we'll see a significant shift towards a more automated workforce. But this also raises serious questions about the future of work. Will AI agents replace humans, or will they work alongside us? The answer to this question will determine the future of human employment, and it's a question that we need to ask ourselves today.
So what do you think? Will GPT-5 mark the beginning of the end for human jobs? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-related content. And if you want to learn more about GPT-5 and its impact on human employment, check out the links in our description box. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.